Hello, it's me, Kausal, BSc on computing student. So today I'm going to discuss about the component to Laravel project. So let's get started with the checklist. So starting with administration feature. Move on to the first one, can add a new module. So let's log in with admin credential first. I've already created the seeder. You can see it here. From seeder, I've created the admin seeder, and let's log in with the credential. So yeah, this is the admin dashboard. The first one is to create a module. So let's start by creating a module. Let me give name as information technology. And for the code, I give IT. Total number of student you can give maximum of 10 student. You cannot get more than this, or you can get less. Let's go for description. This is IT IT course, and now let me create the module. You can see that the course is being made. You can see the information technology, and moving on to the next part, can add and remove teacher. Let's go with the teacher part. Teacher. Let's first create a new teacher. Starting with uh, Rahul. And email is rahul@gmail.com. Minimum password would be. Let's create the teacher. Let me save it so I don't have to re-enter it. You can see that the earlier the teacher is created. So can remove student from a module. So let's go on to the student part. You can see that I have created two student. Let me remove the remove from its module. Since the student did not enroll in any module, let me check the another one. So this student is enrolled in science module. You can click here and you can remove the students from the module. And you can see that the student is not enrolled in any module. So moving on to attach teacher to a module. Let's now move on to attach teacher to a module. I have already created the module Rahul. Let me attach it. The new one module that I just made. Yes, now it is attached. Let me also attach the mathematics one. You can see that this teacher has two modules attached in it. So moving on to can change the status of user of different type. Yes, I can change this teacher to student as well. And you can see that it changes, and from student I can change to teacher as well. Let me switch it back. Make teacher. You can see that I can change from current student to old student as well, and old student to current student as well. Now can toggle model to being available and unavailable. Let me toggle the modules. You can see that in modules part, I can disable or enable the module. It will show enable and unavailable and available. Now moving on to teacher feature, can view modules they are assigned to. Let me log in with the new teacher I just made. Let me log in, and from the teacher, the Rahul one, let me sign in. You can see the module assigned to it. So can view student that are attached to the module. They can also manage student. You can see in this module nothing is enrolled, and this one also no module is enrolled in this. No student is enrolled. So for now, let me log in with student and enroll in this module. Student part. Let me. You can also sign in with Google. Let me sign in with Google. First, let me sign up and sign in with Google. Let me go with this one again, ComponentII. You can see that after it is complete, I see the student dashboard. Let me enroll in the information technology and other module. You can see that it is there. Now let me log out and see from the teacher's perspective whether the student enrollment is there or not. Teacher, Rahul, enroll. Yes, you can see one student, the mail also, the start date also you can see that I just created one. So moving on to the next, can view student that are attached to the module. This one can set pass and fail to the student. Let me, you can also set pass. Let me pass this in here and let me fail in this module. You can see that the status also completed in 113. You can see the current date exactly. So moving on to whole student part, can register on the site. I have already shown you that this can enroll a maximum of 4 modules. You can see that all the maximum reached. Let me first log in with admin and create many modules. Let me create one more module so it is easy. Let me create it. So there are a total of 4, and if I go and log in with student, let me log in with Google also. And if I enroll in the status, there will be I need to make again from the admin. I need to make more models. Let me create some 2 3 models so that you can see. Um, models. Mhm. Yeah. Now let me log out and log in with student. Now let me enroll into more than 4. I cannot get more than I cannot get more than 4 say it is average maximum of 4 1. This one is done as well. So you can see a history of completed modules. You can see the pass or fail completed modules, and moving on to can enroll on module if not the current maximum. If not, you can enroll on modules. If not the current maximum, yes, I can enroll on modules. I can see if there are more than 4, then I cannot enroll. One student can see a list of completed module with pass or full status. As you can see, for let me log out, and from admin, let me make this one student all student. Let me log in and make it all student. And, this one, let me change current student to all student. So, and let me log in, and they can only view the modules. They cannot see the recently made modules. And let me log in. They have all student, you have one password and the total models. Now they can see other model that is being created. Can enroll in model if they are not. Can see history. This one is done. Can enroll on models if not at the current maximum. I have already shown you this. The old student can only see a list. I have already shown you this as well. Models can have a maximum of 10 student enroll. I have shown you in the from the admin that the module can have a maximum of 10 enrollment. So login from the models. Mm, I cannot create more than 10 students. You can see that the maximum capacity is 10. At this time, archiving, making unable does not delete the model. You can see the toggle, it does not delete the enable and disable only. Models when undertaken should store a student start date, completion date, and pass date. I already showed you that as well. The pass date, completion date one from the student part. And from the teacher part also, I made you after login. I showed you. Let me show you that again. Started from the teacher perspective. Mm, You can see the start date and the complete date here as well. So all the things is done for additional features, pagination, filtering, and search. I have implemented that as well. Let me log out and log in within admin part. I have done it. Let me log in with admin and show you the pagination part. Yes, I can pagination part. You can see as well the filtering part in my teachers. I have done the filtering part. Let me search and show you the. Yes, I have done the filtering part and source part, and I have done the filtering service. I will show you the source filtering part in my student part. You can see all three. I can also current to. I can see an old one. I can see the filtering part as well. So everything is done.